Today, we'll cover the top 5 features to look for in collision software to help lower your liability, ensure safer repairs, and make your shop more efficient and profitable. Your software should provide factory-direct, unedited OEM repair info, including body and frame sectioning, panel replacement, handling of new materials, and evolving technologies such as electric vehicles to ensure safe, accurate repairs and to limit liability. Specifically, you'll want to look for manufacturer position statements, ADAS information, support for hard-to-find information, and mechanical information and procedures, like interactive color wiring diagrams, technical service bulletins, TSBs, and diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. Second, you'll want to look for a platform that offers quick, easy access to critical information. All Data Collision provides specifications quick reference to put shops' most used specifications and procedures in one easy-to-access place. All Data's award-winning ADAS Quick Reference tool provides direct one-click access to vehicle-specific advanced driver assistance systems ADAS info, including component locations, removal procedures, and calibration requirements. Third, look for tools that support OEM-based blueprinting to help plan repairs correctly the first time while reinforcing safer, more defensible repairs. All Data Collision and All Data Repair Planner reviews estimates line by line with OEM alerts, indicates OEM procedures associated with a job, includes vital repairs required after a collision, and ensures safer repairs and helps limit liability. Your software should also work with major estimating platforms to flag OEM-required repairs, automate estimate research, and streamline workflows. All Data's Repair Planner integrates directly with the CCC SecureShare network, allowing users to automatically import estimates from CCC1 into Repair Planner for easier access to OEM procedures, review estimates line by line, and alert technicians to OEM-required procedures. Fifth, look for mobile-ready tools that give your technicians the freedom to work anywhere. When paired with All Data Mobile, All Data Collision provides instant access to OEM repair data at the vehicle. When paired with All Data Inspections, All Data Mobile lets you jumpstart the check-in process and perform digital vehicle inspections on your mobile phone or tablet. Ready to get started? All Data Collision provides a free 7-day trial, including All Data Collision, award-winning ADAS Quick Reference, 300,000-plus interactive color wiring diagrams, as well as All Data Repair Planner, All Data Estimator, All Data Mobile, and All Data Inspections. Just visit alldata.com/US/EN/All Data Collision free trial for your 7-day free trial.